Maximizing TSP contributions. Catch-up contributions for retirement, employer matching, and maximizing returns. The Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, is a powerful tool for federal employees to build retirement savings. To get the most out of it, you need to take a strategic approach to contributions, employer matching, and investments. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified guide to help you maximize your TSP contributions. 1. Understand TSP contributions. The TSP lets you save a portion of your salary in a tax-advantaged account. Regular contributions benefit from compound growth, but to maximize savings, you should consider strategies like catch-up contributions, employer matching, and smart investments. 2. Use catch-up contributions, age 50 plus. If you're 50 or older, the TSP allows you to contribute beyond the standard limit. 2024 contribution limits. Under 50, $23,000. Age 50 plus, $30,500, includes $7,500 in catch-up contributions. Using catch-up contributions can help close savings gaps and boost your retirement fund as you near retirement age. 3. Optimize employer matching. Federal Employees Retirement System, FERS, participants receive a government match of up to 5% of their salary. The first 1% is automatic. The next 4% matches your contributions. To maximize this free money, contribute at least 5% of your salary. Otherwise, you're leaving valuable retirement savings on the table. 4. Choose the right investments. The TSP offers various funds to suit different risk levels. C Fund tracks the S&P 500, higher risk, higher return. S Fund, broader stock exposure, higher risk, higher return. G Fund, government securities, lower risk, lower return. Younger employees may prefer higher risk options for long-term growth, while older employees might shift toward conservative funds as retirement approaches. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to keep your investments aligned with your goals. 5. Leverage compound growth. Starting early is key. Even small contributions grow significantly over time due to compound interest. If you're nearing retirement, maximizing catch-up contributions and employer matching can still make a big difference. Maximizing your TSP contributions involves leveraging all available tools, catch-up contributions, employer matching, and smart investments. By taking these steps, you can build a strong financial foundation and enjoy a secure retirement. Make the most of your TSP today to ensure a comfortable tomorrow. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.